Hey guys, wanted to go ahead and do a re-review of the HD 560S. This has been a situation where I'm just like, dude, this is probably the one most polarizing review I've ever made. And now I understand why. And I kind of want to explain why. It's because the earpads actually changed. So the earpads that are actually in the ones that you get today, they are going to be different from the ones you got if you bought them around 2020. And basically, and I'm going to show you a bunch of evidence proving that the earpads have actually changed and things have changed. And this is notably less bright compared to the original. But that also is, they also changed this material as well here. Let me go ahead and see that. And they changed this as well, and they changed the cable as well. So some things have actually changed. But that to me isn't the big deal. The big deal is actually the ear pad. And I'm saying this right now because, as I mentioned, I got the AKG K371 ear pads, and I bought like 7 of them, and each of them notably changed the sound. So this actually does make a difference, and what I want to do is to show you evidence that this actually did happen. But also, so someone here actually goes over it scientifically here and shows you the actual images. So what he says is the headband has changed, and this is actually pretty telling. So what he's doing is bringing it actually to the light, and one is clearly more dense than the other. And he's going over this right here. The other thing too, he goes, the pads are clearly different. They're and at least part of the change in the response. This guy actually had brand new HD 560s, and he's saying that even when I look at them, they're actually different. So it seems basically that the foam is a little bit different, but we're going to start seeing pictures of where they actually are different. Here, again, the lighting is different. This is a little bit different here. When we look here, and this is actually pretty telling in my opinion, this is the 2021 pad, and this is the 572287 pad, and that's the 2024 pad. My pad is more closer to like this, where it has these divots in here, whereas these are more like this. You know what I mean? And he also, I mean, when you map it also, he's basically realizing like this is actually different. Like, so this actually explains why folks who have this headphone from before view it and hear it a different way compared to folks who have this particular one, because the ear pads actually are different.